We have our patient Play-Doh. I'm gonna back it up.
Are you standing for this?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stand. She's kind of wrapped up a little bit, but I wanted to just come over and say thank you so much for letting us video the procedure.
Dr. Gilmore. Thank you.
You're awesome.
One of his original patients.
You are. You've been around for a long time.
I have.
So why did you cheat on me and go see a dermatologist?
Because I go, well, I didn't know if you would do these checks every year. I didn't know if you
check people for skin lesions all the time.
Well, now I know all this.
And
okay?
you've got some bumps on your back, but they didn't touch them. I say they. I don't know if it was a male dermatologist or a female dermatologist.
A female. I hate them, and I don't like them back there.
Ooh.
But I didn't know if they could be. I would prefer they were gone.
Oh, you're talking about. I thought you were talking about the dermatologist.
I did too. No, I would never. No. Dr. Gilmore.
Play-Doh!
I wasn't the only one.
I did
You know I don't wish that on anybody.
Well, you were just talking all kind of hatred and everything.
But
you had this spot on your back when you went to the dermatologist. Tell us about that.
4 months ago, it's a small little cyst.
This is betadine.
Okay, dear. And she said just to watch it. If it didn't bother me, they would leave it alone.
So she said to watch it. Was it going to do some tricks, some backflips maybe?
Probably so, yes, doctor.
Yeah. You're saying doctor with contempt.
Yes, I am.
Is there a reason for that today?
Of course not. This just hurts.
Because you've come to me with this problem here.
Because I knew you would fix it.
Well, I'm going to do whatever I can for you, but you do have an inflamed cyst. The question is whether that's infected or not. My gestalt at this point is no, it's probably not infected.
Oh, good.
But it's impossible to know for sure
until we open it up. It's a doctor.
All right, Gummy G's going to spray a little cold spray. We're going to numb this up with a little anesthetic.
So
are you ready?
I won't feel anything, huh?
Well, I didn't say that.
Okay.
Did I say that? Get that right there. We go. What's she going to feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
There it is. Stick, sting, and a burn. Ooh, I see a punctum. Do you know what do you know what a punctum is?
No, doctor.
A punctum is the opening where if this was going to drain, it would probably drain. So we're just injecting a little, what is this, 1% lidocaine with epinephrine buffered.
Okay.
Yes.
With, what do we go, 5% or 10%? Are you 5% or 10%? We're 10% buffered. 10% buffered. A little sodium bicarb. Okay, yeah, there's the punctum right there. Can you see that, Gummy G? Right there. All right. So now you have received the initial injection. Now we're going to do a secondary injection.
All right, doctor.
How long have they called you Play-Doh? Since you were a kid on the playground?
No, just about 5 minutes ago. I got this new nickname.
I heard that you used to eat Play-Doh.
You did? Well, somebody was not telling you the truth.
You didn't eat something about you liked the pink Play-Doh.
I would like the pink because that's my signature shade.
Is it really?
Yes, it is. Pink.
Wonderful. Wonderful. There we go. I think we're adequately anesthetized.
Okay.
Oh, it's amazing. It's tragic too, but it's amazing.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I gotta check it out then.
Yeah. It happened, it's set in the 90s during the genocide that occurred in Rwanda, but it's a fascinating story. So you definitely have a cyst here that is inflamed, and we're getting some stuff out, and it's going to start feeling better here. But I think we're going to be able to get in there and get the sac. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
I'm going to do my best.
I'm going to have to rewatch Hotel Rwanda because I think when it came out, I was...
Oh, Jack and Jill.
So then we get this Linda. We don't know what to do with her. So I just nicknamed her Joe Linda. So she fit, right? Well, it makes sense. Everybody wants to fit in, right?
Well, absolutely. He's having actually surgery today on me.
Oh, it gave me something fun to do.
Well, that's good. I always aim to bring excitement to your practice.
Oh, I've been doing playing video games all day. Isn't that right, Gumby Jean?
You know, guys, I have never been in here and it's been this quiet, ever.
I know.
That's because of the new electronic record system now. We don't have to spend our time on the phone so often with patients. We have a portal system that allows us to directly message them with questions, issues, refill notices, lab results, CT results.
She told me I can't actually talk to a live person for an appointment, Doc.
You can, but we charge extra for that now.
Are you going to charge extra for me?
No.
That's the only thing. I love the portal is I still like to talk to a live person.
Well, now, with the portal, you'll be able to do virtual visits with us, which means no matter where you are, you'll be able to connect with us via synchronous video communication.
Oh, goodness.
Which means that if you're on the other side of the state and you run out of medicine or run out of something or need something, have a problem, okay, you'll be able to schedule a virtual visit with me, and I have after hours times, right?
Yeah.
And we'll be able to take care of that most of the time. If it's something that we can't handle over a virtual visit, then we will let you know that you need to go to urgent care or otherwise, depending on the circumstances. So if we were to suture this completely, then we might find ourselves in a situation where the fluid buildup could occur again. It could kind of abscess, and it would cause pain to our friend Plato. Here it is. I got it. All right. So 1 stitch is all you're going to get. It's all your insurance covered. Just 1 stitch.
Oh, just 1 stitch? Okay, you know how it is. We pay a lot for this insurance, too.
You got the 1 stitch plan.
Mm-hmm. With that now, oh yeah.
It's really kind of all she needs, right? Can you give me a little cut, please, ma'am? Can you reach? Get in there, Gumby Jean. She got it. All right. Okay, so this is still going to ooze a little bit, and we want it to do that, all right?
Okay, honey.
So don't be surprised by that. Gumby Jean will put just a dry dressing over this. I expect this will heal just fine. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. Just got tested today and it was 5.4, and my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Are your nails and skin looking dry from the summer heat? Does your hair seem brittle and unhealthy? Well, maybe it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. Cocoa Skin Plus is a custom blend designed specifically by Dr. Gilmore to restore your hair's shine, protect your skin from the elements, and make your nails strong and healthy. Let's hear from a few of Dr. G's fans.
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
I don't know if you want to zoom in. My nails have definitely gotten stronger, and finally my hair is actually looking normal. Thanks to this, actually.
Now available on Amazon with a dramatic price cut, Cocoa Skin Plus is only 50 cents a day. So stop waiting, order now, and experience the results you've always wanted. There's an Amazon link in the description.